Groupe Recomatic had quite a story behind it before becoming what it is today. More than 70 years have gone by since the start of the story. To give you a better idea of this story, we'll tell it from the start. To begin with, the group is composed of four main entities: Recomatic, BULA, Swiss, and Cosma. The adventure began in the canton of Vaud with the founding of the company on May 2, 1952 by Marcel BULA and his son Bernard. During its first years of existence, BULA developed its know-how in the manufacture of machines for polishing, chamfering, turning, verifying, and olive cutting for applications in the semi-precious stones market. In Jura and Faye, two relatives, Charles and Martin Reyra, laid the beginnings of what would later become Recomatic, a company specializing in precision engineering. In 1964, BULA reoriented its strategy in the development and marketing of automatic rotary table machines for deburring, satin finishing, polishing, and other surface finishings for various types of industry: automobile, aeronautics, medical, plumbing fixtures, or watchmaking. BULA then quickly became the benchmark in mechanical surface treatment. In 1965, the two Reyra cousins were awarded the gold medal at the Brussels Invention Fair for their patented hydraulic brake. Following this success, between 1966 and 1967, Martin and Charles began the construction of what was to become the Courtadou factory. 17 years later, Charles and Martin consolidated the company and in 1984 created the limited liability company Recomatic SA. The company soon found its premises as too small and undertook the first expansion of its facility. In 1989, Recomatic was awarded the Vermilion Medal for the development of a hydraulic brake for hoists at the Geneva Inventions Fair. As for BULA, it pioneered the field of robotics in the 80s with the construction of numerous robotized cells. In 1994, Bernard BULA received the Golden Robot Award in Stockholm. 3 years later, Beatrice BULA, representing the third generation of the family, joined the company. With the benefit of growing recognition in Switzerland and abroad, Recomatic was awarded the third trophy, the Innovation Prize of the Canton of Jura, for the development of a new type of automatic surface finishing machine, the MEC7. In 1998, computer technology was beginning to assert itself, to the consternation of quite a few. Just before entering the 21st century, Recomatic made room for the second expansion of its facility. For BULA, it was the installation of the first CNC machines for their customers. These unprecedented changes marked the beginning of a new millennium. In 2003, the sons of Charles Reyra, Christophe, and Philippe took over the management of Recomatic. Then, in 2005, at Baselworld, the group presented and marketed the first machines with a technology using grinding wheels. These met with great success. The third expansion doubled the area of the factory and the number of employees. In 2008, Recomatic purchased a majority shareholding in BULA Technology SA and formed the new entity, Groupe Recomatic. With the arrival of Olivier Wieland as director, the group decided to widen its range of products in the field of surface polishing and finishing applications. Following this, the BULA catalog of machines was completely revised with the creation of the Polygo and Micro ranges. In 2012, Recomatic launched the CT500 Compact Finishing Center, which, with the current model, CT501, quickly became the reference machine for finishing in the watchmaking industry. 1 year later came the fourth expansion and the creation of the building today, known as the showroom. Then, in 2014, the group took over TK Service, service provider for second-hand BULA machines. In 2015, a new identity and marketing strategy were introduced with a redesigned internet site and new designs for RECO and BULA machines. A victim of its success, the group undertook the renovation of part of the factory together with a fifth expansion. In 2018, BULA relaunched the range of machines on which its success had been based since its early beginnings, the continuous turntable machines, particularly suitable for high productivity. In 2020, Groupe Recomatic signed a new partnership with the company Swiss Surface.ch.SA, named Swiss, and the Spanish company GPA Innova. Swiss then became the exclusive distributor of Delight electrolytic polishing machines and the Marua machines. From 2018 to 2019, the group's building saw many expansions and renovations. But in 2020, a major project was started with the construction of a new building to increase the factory area by 50%. This new building, vital to the group, houses the entire storage section, assembly, and engineering department in one place, thereby creating a smooth and continuous machine assembly line. In 2023, the Recomatic Group reached a new strategic milestone with the acquisition of Cosmap, an Italian company specializing in automatic machines and robotic cells for polishing, satin finishing, emery polishing, and surface brushing. Founded in 1979 and led by Daniel Carrero until its acquisition by the group, Cosmap has developed cutting-edge solutions across various industries, including faucets and door hardware, cookware, tableware, automatic components, eyewear, and fashion accessory. Thanks to its expertise, Cosmap has become a key player in industries demanding flawless surface finishes. Cosmap and the Recomatic Group share common values of excellence and innovation. Together, the companies are combining their expertise to deliver ever more high-performance solutions tailored to the specific needs of their clients. This acquisition strengthens Recomatic Group's leadership in surface finishing machinery while continuing Cosmap's legacy of advanced technologies, all in the service of industrial excellence. Of course, the rest of Groupe Recomatic's story is yet to be written. But one thing is certain. Even with over 10,000 machines installed in the world, new adventures are just around the corner.